Hi there, welcome back. So in this lesson I'm going to show you how to do the rotate template. So if we open up our previous file, the template starter, as I called it, you can call it as you like, because basically we start from the same sort of layout. We have our first layer, which in this case we can call rotate, and then the bounding box, the background, the swatch box, the guide. So everything else is the same. And what we need to do again is to make a mark here somewhere. We do something like that. It doesn't matter what it is. And then we select the layer and the path. And again, we go into Effect and Distort and Transform and Transform. In this case, we need to rotate, so we go where there is an angle here, and we will rotate it, let's see, minus 90 degrees. Okay, so it will rotate, and we need to also move this minus 800 pixel, so it will rotate that way, and it will be next to our bounding box here, the limit of the artboard. And of course we need to make one copy, and then we say OK. So now whatever we do here, it will be rotated here. Then we select it again. We need to apply the next effect. Yes, we would like to apply another effect. So we need to go again in the angle, and we rotate it minus 180. And then again in the vertical, we write minus 800. So that we move it on the top here. So we rotate it like that around. And we need one copy. And OK. So now we need to repeat again what we did before with this, so we can fill the whole artboard. So we have it selected. We go into Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. Yes. And we go into horizontal like we did before, and we write 200. And then of course we need 4 copies to fill the whole artboard. If you do tab every time you write something, it will show you the preview. Okay, so this is the horizontal one. And then we will need to apply the same thing. Yes. For the vertical, so again 200, oops, not 2000, 200, and 4 copies, and you do tab and it will show you the whole effect. And OK. So now, whatever I do here, it's very difficult to draw with the mouse. So maybe this doesn't show you exactly the rotation, but you can see. Let's see, let's try something else. What shall I write? What shall I do? Something like a little heart. Okay, so you can see whatever you do here, it will be rotated. And you can add other things, and it will just keep adding. This is a bit of confusion, but you can see whatever you do when you have, especially Wacom tablet, maybe you're not drawing with your mouse. Oh, that's incredible. Then you can have all sorts of beautiful effects. There's one thing actually I haven't showed you yet, because this is a live transform effect. If you take this one, the direct selection tool, so just A on your keyboard, you can actually move this for example, like that. And this will be applied to everything in your design here, because it would just affect the whole drawing. So this, of course, you have to do it before you do anything else, because when you create the pattern, you will expand the appearance, but you need to do this before you expand the appearance, of course. But you can adjust your pattern as you wish, and then it will move the whole thing, which is again like magic. And also you can rotate the shapes that you do, and it will rotate everything else as well. So I'm telling you, is the limit is your imagination with this type of templates. All right, so if we delete that, we now have the rotate template, and we can save it as a template. So File, Save as Template, and you go to your folder and you name it rotate template, and you have a new template now. And in the next one, I will show you how to create a reflect template. So whatever you do will be repeated and reflected. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.